Welcome back to FPGA Design for Embedded Systems. The objectives of this course are to learn about VHDL assignments, signals and variables, operators such as adders, subtractors, multipliers, and everybody shift to the left. VHDL assignments include the signal assignment operator with the less than equals assignment operator and the colon equals variable assignment operator. The signal assignment operator operates and gets synthesized into silicon gates. So we have Z is assigned to A ANDed with B, or Z is assigned to D after 5 nanoseconds in a simulation. In a variable assignment, it's colon equals, and those assignments are updated immediately in the process, such as count colon equals count plus 1, or A is initialized to 27. An example of the select assignment, the less than equals, is using the with S select. And here we have our X less than equals is assigned to A when 0, 0, B when 0, 1, C when 1, 0, and the others assignment. Here we have a conditional assignment operator. So X is assigned to A when S 0, 0, B, C, and D, with the else statement selecting between each of our options. Here we have the process assignment. So we have the process sensitivity list with A, B, C, D, and S being evaluated in our begin-end loop anytime there's a change in A, B, C, D, or S. So here we have if S equals 0, 0, then we make an assignment to X as A. And we have our else if statements and our final else statement. End of process. In VHDL, we have a variety of operators such as multiply, divide, add, subtract, absolute value. Many of these operators are synthesized into gates. And we also have shift left, shift right, rotate left, rotate right, and equality operators such as equals, not equals, greater than, equals. And we also have logical operators and, or, NAND, NOR. Keep in mind order precedence. So just like in mathematics, we have left to right and parentheses, which sets the precedence order, and we have unary and binary operators. A unary operator has a single operator like mod A. A binary operator has two operators, operands, in the operation. When we look at data types in VHDL, we have arrays and scalars. Arrays have multiple digits, multiple bits, such as a string ABC, or a bit vector 1001, or a standard logic vector 101Z. In scalars, we have single bits, a character, a bit, standard logic, bit, true false, a real integer, or time. In summary, we've learned about the VHDL assignments, signal and variable, and logical selects, as well as operators, dial 0, and scalar and array data types.